You are the one, oh my god.
Oh my god, I got stuck.
Ayo, I'm dead.
See? Keyboardan lo.
2 times loh. Just 1 loh.
Ayo.
I mean, open.
Bennett in.
Bennett in.
G, your accessory still PVE lo.
Who?
G. Oh, G using PVE?
Yeah, of course. We are fighting monster, not
Oh,
fighting
yeah.
people.
That's what the people.
Oh, I need to run, run. I'm gonna die,
And then,
I'm gonna die.
I
why
died.
dead?
No, I'm wait.
That
Eh.
we got panic.
Na nagpapatuloy, nilalagay sa papel matitibo kasi yung nagpa-plastic ng basura. Pag na ano siya, pag nilagay lang sa plastic. Oh my god.
Ayo.
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 I'm not dead. Bleh. Why you almost die, G? Why you almost die?
Do we awaken here? Use awaken here in this boss? No?
Go to 12 o'clock.
Okay.
G open.
Tin, tin, tin. Up. What? Up. What?
What are you waiting? Oh. Bennett in.
Bennett. Wait, I'll off automatic for Bennett so we can timing it. Oh, no, not there. Don't stand there. Oh my god.
G, here, oh my god.
Oh.
Why is it? Why is this? Oh my god, this boss keeps throwing lava. So
Ano?
annoying.
I cannot. Still loading. He chasing me. The boss chasing me.
Oh my god.
Come. He almost dead.
G did.
You burden G.
See? The blue balls lo, oh my god. Oh my god, ended. Okay.
So far. Oh my god.
Ayo.
Then, oh my god, this boss keeps on throwing lava.
Shut up,
Yeah.
G.
Mm. Lava. So far. Oh my god. This boss keeps running. Oh my god.
Not yet.
Oh my god.
Way dead.
Ay. Wait.
Ay. Oh my
Didu.
This is the, Hindi, iba yung bibili ng gano'n. Yeah, don't keep throwing me. I think we're so weird today. I I know, but I don't know. I'm so stupid today.
Ayoyoy.
Oh my God, there. My goodness. Oh my God. Yeah. Did they make this EG more painful or am I just stupid today? I see. Really?
Yeah, easy.
I will use Lena since I'm so stupid today.
Awaken, guys. Bennett in. Hmm. Bennett in.
Bennett in.
Eat.
Lena in. See, even high CP cannot do it in 5 minutes. Look at us in the bridge, lo. We waste so much time in the bridge. Don, Gon and DB definitely using cheats. Maybe one hit the boss.
Oh,
Mhm.
minute. I'm stunned.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't do that with my soulbinder even if he instructed me how to dash
Yeah.
forward. I don't I
Mhm.
think it only applies to certain characters. I'm not sure.
But it's only applied to the first
Berserker,
but
but
the first bridge. But
yeah,
even
but
though listen, even though one of them can get past the bridge, not all of them can pass the bridge.
yeah, I think
There
when
must be some people, there must be some of their members that die. Ay,
yeah,
ayo, 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 ayo,
because
ayo.
when we try it, only the berserker was able to pass through, right?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, ayo. But it's okay to die now. I think we can.
Shut up, G. You're the one who ran, lo.
That him in the
You're
corner of the
like
map.
that. Hmm?
Eh,
Memang si Jim lo, aduh.
Ah,
Oke.
dan thank you guys.
thank you guys.